are you doing? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome, mekaribishwa, and if you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back to watch. So today I'm going to prepare liver, so that is soft fried liver. So I'm going to show you how easily you can make that. So if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please like this video, comment below. I'll appreciate. Thank you. Let's get into it. So our ingredients today, definitely liver itself. We have onions, 2 medium onions, 3 tomatoes. We have salt, garam masala, mixed spices, salt. We have garlic, dhania, and milk. Let's do this. So the first step, we put our liver into a bowl or a container and then add milk. We soak this for about 30 minutes. You make sure all your liver is soaked up in milk. Soak that for 30 minutes. And then we'll come back and slice the onions and the tomatoes. Then our onions. We need our onions fried, brown in color. Then we add our garlic. fry them together. So you ensure your onions and garlic are brown in color. Next, after our onions are brown in color and the garlic, we add our tomatoes. Spices. This is mixed spices. Garam masala. Just a little. Salt. Mix them. Remember our liver, we're going to drain the milk. We are not going to use the same milk we soaked into. We're going to drain the milk and then add our liver. So we're going to drain our milk. So you can see our tomatoes and mixed spices and the onions are well mixed and cooked. Tomatoes are cooked. So we're going to add our liver. Mix. Mix. And then cover for about 5 to 8 minutes. We're going to check our liver after like 5 minutes. Remember, we didn't add any water. It has cooked using the tomato sauce from the chopped tomatoes and the soaking in milk. Next is to garnish our liver. That's how easy, or how easy it is to make liver, fried liver. So guys, I'm done preparing the liver, the fried liver. Here it is. Ta-da! Yes, so that's how easy you can prepare liver. It's 5 to 10 minutes and you're done. After soaking for 30 minutes, you're done. Yes, so if you like this video, kindly please consider giving it a like and subscribe down below for such videos. Thank you so much for people who are coming back, and if you're new, please come back again. I will appreciate. Thank you so much for your time and for clicking to watch my video. Blessings.